Hi friends, hola amigos, it's your pal Mikey, and today I have Fidgets! Whoa!
Hey, do you wanna learn today? You can learn with Mikey. Hey, let's all learn today. We can learn with Mikey. So many fun things to do, so many cool things to see. Come on and learn with me. You can learn with Mikey.
Whoa! I have so many fidgets here on the table. La mesa! They look so much fun! Whoa! Look at this one! Whoa! How about this one? Whee! Oh! Whoa! And this one? Bloop, 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 bloop. Oh, what's this? Put on my finger? Oh, that's interesting. Whoa, that tickles. Oh, look at this. What's this? Whoa, is there peas inside the pot? And this one? Oh, it makes a box, a cube. Whoa, this is so much fun. Oh, I know what this one is. It's a fidget spinner. Whee! Oh, cool, and it has poppers on the bottom. Whoa, you can pop them up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's this? Oh, okay. Has a little ball inside. Un pelota. Una pelota. Whoa, whoa. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, look at this! Hey, do you know what color the squishy thing is? Yeah, it's purple! Morado! You're right! Oh, so squishy! Whoa! All these fidgets are so much fun! Whoa! Do you know why they call them fidgets? Because you fidget with them! Fidgets are something, they're small little toys that you can play with whenever you are feeling bored, aburrido, you're feeling nervous, nervioso, you're feeling angry, mad, enojado, right? They help you take your mind away from the feelings that you have inside, and they help you clear your mind so you can be happy again. Contento. Or if you're already happy, contento, they make you happier. Whoa. If you want to learn more about the feelings, make sure you watch my video on feelings, sentimientos. I talk about all the different types of feelings, sentimientos, and I even give you examples of what those feelings look like. That way you'll know whenever you're feeling a certain type of feeling. Whoa! This is so much fun! Yeah! Don't forget to subscribe so that way you can keep learning with me. Mikey. Oh yeah, go to learnwithmikey.com so you can print out free activity worksheets. Boy!